Today we're going to be doing a setup of the Clover Mini POS system. So the first step that you're going to be doing is taking your Clover Mini and flipping it over so we can fit the paper and put it into the right place. So once you have the paper, there's a picture right here inside the Clover Mini that instructs you on how to put the paper in case you get confused at any point. Put it in, rip it off, and it's ready to go. The second step that we're going to be doing is connecting your Clover Mini to the Clover Mini Hub. The Clover Mini Hub is the section of your Clover Mini where you're going to be able to connect all the other devices that you may want to use with your Clover Mini, such as the cash drawer, Clover scanner, or anything else that you may want to connect to it. Next, you're going to flip your Clover Mini again, and you're going to grab the hub and connect it right here on the back. This is the moment that you're going to be using the famous Clover screwdriver. Screw it real well. Now we flip it. In our next step, we're going to be connecting the power outlet that is going to power up your Clover Mini. So you're going to connect it there. This end goes into the Clover Hub. And now, the next step, we're going to be connecting the cash drawer into the system. So here's my keys. Here's my cash drawer cable. This end of the cable is going to go into the Clover Hub. Right here where you see the bills. Then next, you're going to grab the Clover Cash Register and carefully flip it upside down like this. Connect the other end of the cable into the drawer. Put everything down. And now we just gotta connect our Clover Mini to power and it'll be ready to go.